Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you have got a PDF you need to analyze maybe a research paper, a contract, or technical manual. You drag it into Perplexity, wait for it to process and nothing happens. Or even you use this plus button and you can see the file option. So, or even worse, you get an error or it uploads but won't analyze. So PDF upload issues are incredibly common. But here's the thing, in almost every case, the problem is one of just a few things. Your file might be too big. It might be like a scanned image instead of a real text. Or you might be on the wrong platform. Because believe it or not, Perplexity's mobile app doesn't support the PDF uploads at all at first. But at some point with all of them updates, as you can see, here is the file option. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix this issue. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First, we have the option, or basically the second option is to use our web browser. Go look for perplexity.ai, log in using the same email address and password, then go ahead and use the file option. And also Perplexity has a strict file size limits. According to some technical documentation, I would say, free users are limited to 25 MB per file. The fix is check your file size, right-click the PDF and select Properties on Windows or Get Info on Mac. If it's over 25, you will either need to compress it or to use some tools to basically make it less bigger, I would say. And also, Perplexity can only read text it can select. Make sure your PDF has selectable text and not just, I would say, random images. That's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.